Hi guys, today we're going to be reviewing the Ozark Trail one-person tent. First, let's take a look at how I put this thing together. It's pretty quick. This is probably my favorite tent. This is what I use for backpacking. It is super lightweight and it's perfect for one person. You can actually fit 2 people in here comfortably in one sleeping bag. It's a little tight, but the warmth stays in. It's just a great tent. So on either side, I don't have them attached right now, but you can put the lines on that will pull out, so you get a little bit more space on the sides. In the back, there are 3 places to put your anchor lines in, and so this stays nice and secure. And this front flap right here, this is probably the best thing to me. This area actually closes off in the front. Now, there will be, dirt right here, but once you close this part in the front is waterproof, so you can keep your boots and stuff on the outside while you're asleep. So this is what it looks like when you're laying down. I'm 5'10", so you can see if you were a 6-foot person, this would still be okay. Much more than that, I don't know. You'd probably have to curl up a little bit, but like I said, this is perfect. You can also take these, because it's so small, I've also used these at lawn concerts. So it's not too tall so that, you're blocking people behind you's view, but yet if there's a sprinkle or something during the concert, you can be in the warmth of a nice waterproof tent. So standing up in this tent is not an option, but you can sit up comfortably. There are several little pockets. There's one above me here, and there's a little hook for a light above me. There's also a little pouch over here just to put your things that you're going to keep in your pocket, maybe your knife, your keys, whatever you're going to keep in your pocket while you're backpacking. Ta-da!